Viewers, subscribers, just Vybz at the back again. I hope you're alright, I hope you're doing okay. So as you can see the title below, I have a few topics I want to talk about today, which includes Jada Kingdom in big trouble. Deep behold children, my viewers, subscribers. Not to mention Vybz Kartel, this YouTube Wicked, and also some other artists. Enough for the chit chat, my viewers, subscribers. Let's jump straight into the video. If it's your first time here, share, subscribe now, click that bell icon to turn on your post notification. So Jada Kingdom sued by management team following a social media rant.
I'm not fucker with nobody. So now it's a whole different thing. I'm going to announce new booking info soon. Real fucking soon. I do everything the right fucking way. My lawyers, them very fucking active, and we're going to fucking win, and everything I will go fucking perfect, and everything I will go fucking great, and nothing can stop me right this alright true, because yeah, well God bless. Well God bless. But guys, young artists them out there, I'm telling you, tell the manager for go and they.
According to reports via nationwide radio, dancehall star Jada Kingdom is facing a multi-million-dollar lawsuit from her management company Popstyle Music Publishing and her manager, who's popularly known as Popstyle. The lawsuit was filed in the Supreme Court this afternoon by attorney at law Ronald Young of the law firm Young Law, which is representing Popstyle Music Publishing and its principal. Kingdom's given name is Jada Ashanti Murphy. She is being accused of labeling her manager and management company in comments she made in an Instagram live video on April 13. The particular of the claim form says Jada Kingdom went on her Instagram or social media platform and knowingly made false allegations which suggested that her manager and management team were dishonorable in their financial dealings with her. According to the legal team for Popstyle Music Publishing, at the time when she made the video to her fan base on social media, Kingdom knew that the claims she made are damaging and false. Kingdom is being asked to pay general damages, interest on damages, and to issue an apology to her management team and its principal. In a statement, the Kingdom's manager said over the past 4 years, he has done nothing but believe in the artist and support her on an emotional, financial, and professional level. Kingdom's manager says he's invested significant sum of money into her career and personal well-being. The artist manager says, as is normal in the music industry, the management agreement between Kingdom and the team permits him to recoup his investment against her future earnings. Kingdom's manager says to date his investment in her remains substantially unrecouped. And to Jada Kingdom manager to hear her spew such libelous, vile and defamatory untruth about him in her recent Instagram live rant is appealing and something she should be ashamed of. Kingdom's manager says the artist more than anyone else is aware of the positive way he was impacted her career and her personal life. Viewers, subscribers, this is something serious where we believe a lot of these young artists fail to understand the true meaning of professionalism and the role they play in the industry and the certain status they have to live up by. My people, now if you don't know this, as an artist, whenever you're signed to a record label or management team or whatever you want to call it, you have to be careful as to where you step on social media, especially social media, because you see all if something truth we say about them and to the public it look as unfair as what Jada Kingdom said a few nights ago. But people, it can cause a serious problem. Like, and time we see a whole heap of artists get in a trouble for this. We see international artists go up on Instagram rant, they make some tweet where telling the truth kinda not looking good on the management teams end, and them press lawsuit, them press the case and all of that, my people. So I don't think young artists really understand the role that they play. You get me? You might not understand, you might ignorant in the situation or given time, but you have to understand, so you have a fan base, and whenever you pre-share the message, whether it's truth or false, it have an impact, and your record label not gonna like it. Even if I shoot her fast as me say my people. And this is where really I reach Jada Kingdom right now. She has some deep problem. Is it like lawsuit is nothing to take for joke. I mean, I don't know who is in Jada Kingdom corner. I influence her or probably I give her advice on this. It don't look good, my viewer subscribers. It definitely don't look good. And me don't know if I say, like, honestly, time and time again, me see a whole heap of them artists here, them go up on live and them say a bag of things, especially the females them, and them don't know certain things they cannot say on social media. You see it, and people might ask why, but that's also an agreement. Whenever them sign the contract, as you hear with Pop Style say, is that she's aware of this. You see it, like certain agreement, you can't say certain things on social media. For subscribers, it rough, you see it. I mean, I don't know, Jada Kingdom hasn't responded to the lawsuit as yet. You know, we'll pay close attention to this for now and give you an update as to what is the outcome. And she's also missing from the scene for quite a bit now. Persons were worried about her mental state or if she is doing well. We don't know, but my viewer subscribers, I hope she pull through. Talented artist, but we're going to see where I go from there. So now my people, Vybz Kartel, this is YouTubing a new song that was previewed on one of his fan page. Now my people, like me did basically expect this, because when Mrs. Shabdan make a post, I say, yo, YouTube a mess around Hustler, the song when him drop with the video where them drop the other day, when Mrs. Shabdan make a post about it, I say, yo, YouTube a mess, I shake themselves, but kind of did know that this did that come. You get my people. If you don't know, I mean, Vybz Kartel a few days drop every Hustler. You see it, and the views them did move shake if it's true. Like it there freeze up. Mrs. Shabdan make a post about them, some other people make a post about it, and me I wanna really go on my people. So Vybz Kartel finally addressed the matter, which a dancehall artists have never done in the past, you know, like a big platform like that, YouTube. And I don't know if it will reach back to YouTube. I don't know if nobody will really hear it or whatever the case may be, since the level where YouTube upon. And me not know if it will reach back to them people. You see, but in this time of wicked, you see it, him also talked about artists who buy views. You see it, I know them much I tarnish him career and all of that, my people, which in all honesty, as me say, him have a point, because on more than one occasion we have seen where views start move shaky, like freeze up, and that's not usually Vybz Kartel. Vybz Kartel is a person who's good at numbers. You see it, him always a trend, and as of lately things just not look right. So I don't know, my people, I'm not gonna try justify a point or try be unfair. I don't know. You see it, I don't know, but something not right, yeah man, my people. But him now have it, you know, Vybz Kartel stay as a person in museum and talk about something if it not set right with him, man. We know him for the type of person, and him this YouTube, instead YouTube have got yes them mother. Bro, you see me, I don't know if them gonna understand what that mean or the terminology, or if it even reach the desk of YouTube, I don't know. But yeah man, him this time up wicked man, you see me. Not to mention, you see it, artists will buy views, and you know who him attack, of course, my viewers. Him never call no name still at the previews, but we basically know who him attack. You see, but my people, it's a sad case. You see it, like, I mean, we don't want nobody food a stop. So you see, like, I mean, if a man put in the work, him deserve to get paid for it. You see it, we don't expect no man to tarnish a man's career, or whatever the case may be. But it's up to you guys to leave your honest opinion in the comment section below. You see me, don't give my 2 cents on the 2 topic them. So what do you think about them? Comment in the comment section below. And until next time, just Vybz, Jada. I'm out.